What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Let's talk Terra Luna Classic. It's a while since we've covered this. There's a lot of things that have happened, a lot of changes. The price is still hovering around that kind of 87 to 90 line. But look, there is some big news coming and the price looks like it is respected. So we're going to break down what's the latest with Terra Luna Classic. Is there still hope left in this project? All of that, let's make sure that we get into it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a like if you are still bullish on Terra Luna Classic. Let's jump into it. So here we go. The price currently sitting 872, up nearly just 3% on the day. Now we are testing this downward trend line. We've been on this downward trend now for, well, what feels like forever. We broke through levels of support, but yeah, currently down here at this 8722 range. Like I said, 2.9%. The market looking a bit better on the back of that PCE that came in a bit hot today, but at the same time, Terra Luna Classic is holding. Now, there has been a significant number of changes. More importantly, the 0.5% tax, which we did get exchange adoption. Great news. A lot of the exchanges are supporting the 0.5% tax, which is good. What we do need, though, is volume, and that is the one thing that we are lacking. It does feel like it's fallen off the cliff. Now, shout out to Happy Catty Crypto and a number of other people that are launching projects, that are doing what they can to try and bring some investment back, trying to bring some excitement back into Terra Luna Classic. We take a look, it is all the way down here at about the 90, maybe slightly less than 90 actually. Here we go, 81, the 81st cryptocurrency, $24.3 million in volume, 14% up on the day, and a market cap around $511 million. So you can see there, quite a significant challenge, both in terms of volume and ultimately, therefore, in terms of price. Now, here is the thing we need to talk about is that obviously the L1 task force team that we funded, as well as a number of other elements, aren't generating what we hoped. We thought we would get some price action, or we thought we would get some burns. They're, for me, the key narratives that we need to see. And it's hard to talk about something, to talk about, exciting things when nothing fundamentally is happening other than the price continues to go down. Now, like I said, we are seeing some more projects launched on and other big news. We know that Binance continuing where the monthly burns. They also committed to support the upgrade that is coming for Terra Luna Classic. This went live 23rd of May, and they will upgrade the new upgrade blocks. Deposits and withdrawals for LUNC and UST. So the network will be suspended, and then they were reopened. So that's, again, a good sentiment for Terra Luna Classic, that Binance continues to offer their support for the further development of Terra Luna Classic. Again, that we do need to see that price and those burns go up as part of this. This was obviously 3 or 4. This was a number of other parts that went to it. As we burn and work towards parity, that is a huge moment coming for Terra Luna Classic. It probably is, in my opinion, one of the bigger moments, and we really want to see something excel on the back of it. We want to see the price move or the burns increase, and that for me will bring excitement back into the market. If nothing happens, it could be a real challenge to see any significant move in the short term for Terra Luna Classic. Now, interestingly, since we've seen the 0.5 burn tax go on, we are actually seeing slightly more burns going through. You can see there about 90 million today, 303 million yesterday put through, which is kind of good to see. And we also are seeing the staking rewards ever get nearer to that 1,979 billion. So again, people still staking on Terra Luna Classic, people still holding. The problem we have is it is still the same money that's been around. We're not seeing new money coming. I mean, that's bigger than the whole market, but we're not seeing new money flow in, and this is where the excitement has to build. This is where something has to be viable to the average investor as to why they would put their money into Terra Luna Classic. Again, we are seeing some things build out. We're seeing some projects launch. We're seeing some NFT projects starting to do things, which is all good. Again, though, as we build towards parity and we build towards some big developments, some upgrades that are coming down the line for Terra Luna Classic. Furthermore, one of the things I guess a lot of people are hanging their hats on is the build out of the USTC test environment. Now, we know that we were approved in terms of that Ziggy protocol and exactly what that looks like. You can see here, the LUNC community, please see the following proposal, which would authorize the L1 task force team to build a USTC test environment. No, we are focused solely on parity right now, and this will not take any time away from that effort. Work on this item will not begin until after the upgrade to parity is achieved, and after we implement a 5% minimum commission for validators. We'll continue to test the version 2.1 upgrade to parity and are looking towards the upgrade on June 14th. So again, it's just about building an environment that we can go and test the repeg of USTC. Now, I've talked about this on the channel, that this could be the biggest utility that can come both in DeFi and in Terra Luna Classic. It has to work. It has to have so many kind of fail safes to it, be tested, stress tested, and everything else. But at the same time, this could be the one big thing that sees a lot of money flow back in, a potential decentralized stablecoin, when we know that there is regulation coming into the average world of stablecoins. So look, the price is looking okay. I wouldn't go much further than that. We want to see this breakout above the trend line. We're seeing the market starting to move. Could we see a movement up in Terra Luna Classic? I certainly hope so. Again, I'm still here to see this. I haven't sold any of my Terra Luna Classic. Still sits there. It's all staked. I wonder if anyone out there says the same. If you can say the same, by all means, smash that like button. Let's start to get a movement going back with Terra Luna Classic. Shout out to everybody that is still holding, that is still working hard to bring some excitement back to this chain. And as ever, thank you so much for supporting the videos. Thank you so much for all your support on the channel. Do me a favor, if you haven't already, subscribe for more. Smash a like on this video. Drop a comment down below. What are you most excited about for Terra Luna Classic? And as ever, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.